জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
That piano was placed under the chandelier on purpose, so that the chandelier falls on you, sir. Trust me, I saw Uncle placing the instrument precisely under the chandelier with a lot of calculations. I am sure he wanted to kill you.
Nayan!
আমারে ধূপ না পোড়ালে গন্ধ কিছুই নাহি ঢালে। আমারে ধূপ না পোড়ালে গন্ধ কিছুই নাহি ঢালে। আমারে দীপ না জ্বালালে দেয় না কিছুই আলো।
Nayan has saved my life again and again. She's staying here as a maid, despite being the daughter-in-law of this house. The one who wishes only good for others and doesn't think about herself. Why is she lying about Uncle? Why is she blaming Uncle? Why? What is the reason?
এই করেছ ভালো নিঠুর হে, নিঠুর হে। এই করেছ ভালো, এমনি করে হৃদয়ে মোর তীব্র দহন।
Wait.
Oh, no, I can't sleep if I'm so tense. Has Nan told anyone about me? No, I must pray to the Lord so that I am safe this time. Nayan should keep quiet. She should keep her mouth shut. Please help me, O Lord. I'll sit at your feet throughout the night if needed. I'm coming to you.
Do you want to say something?
Come inside.
I am not allowed to enter the prayer room, sir.
I'm asking you to get inside.
No one will be at the prayer room at this hour. I'll pray to my heart's content. I must save myself from Nayan.
Ma'am forbade me from entering the prayer room. You don't understand. It may cause...
Ah! Why are you talking so much? I asked you to come in, right? Come in.
How can I disobey Dripto? But what if someone sees me and complains to ma'am? It will be a problem then.
Rats? Where are the rats? Huh? Where have the rats gone?
What's this? You're here? You haven't gone to sleep?
I won't spare anyone today. I will beat all the rats up. I will beat them. Come.
Oh my! Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Hey!
What just happened? Was I sleepwalking again? Oh no, what is this disease? I don't like it at all.
Oh my my. Oh my. Has Rangana gone crazy too? Oh my lord. No, I won't go there anymore. I don't want to get beaten up by a crazy girl. Lord, please forgive me. I'll come to you some other day with my request. Let me go to my room now. Oh my lord.
Light the lamps again, which have been blown out.
Me? No. Ma'am will be furious if she finds out. Please don't ask me to do anything in the prayer room. I beg you.
Hey! Look, I will convince Mom, don't worry. Do what I've asked you to do. You will light the lamps, am I clear?
Me?
Yes, you. Because you have the right to enter the prayer room the most in this house. Do you know why?
No, I don't.
Because we come to the prayer room to ask for something for ourselves. For example, I'm here to seek answers to my questions. But I think you never ask anything for yourself. Did you ever ask anything for yourself? Or do you always come to the prayer room to save someone or the other? Can't you ever ask for anything for yourself? That's why I call you weird.
Lord, he's so naive. I ask everything for myself. Isn't the one? I want to protect mine. He's close to my heart. He's dearest to me. Wishing him good is like wishing good for myself. I can't express this to him, but you know it well, Lord.
I forgot to tell you something.
What is it, sir?
You didn't do the right thing by suspecting Uncle falsely. You should apologize to Lord right away. What happened? Why are you quiet? Come on, apologize.
No, sir. I won't be able to apologize.
Why? Why are you objecting? Tell me.
I don't lie, sir. Especially in front of Lord. Whatever I saw and understood, denying that would be similar to lying, sir.
You are so stubborn. Isn't it possible that what you saw is wrong? How long have you known Uncle? I've known my uncle for many years. And I'm telling you again and again that Uncle doesn't fake his love and affection. But you are still...
Sometimes we make mistakes even if we know someone. What you know can also be wrong. Can't it be, sir?
All right. If you are so stubborn, then I'll break the stubbornness of yours. I will keep an eye on Uncle. And I will prove it to you that what you are thinking about Uncle is absolutely wrong. And you will have to apologize for suspecting him falsely.
You are so merciful, Lord. This is what I wanted. He'll find out the truth one day. If he keeps an eye on Uncle, and he'll be alert. I hope it goes this way. I really do.
Hey, put the loaves in the toaster quickly. It's time for breakfast.
Yes, I'm doing it. Is the soup ready?
Yes, the soup is ready. Listen, you're free now. Go, all of you leave the kitchen. What do you mean? What are you saying? I mean to say that the two sisters-in-law will cook in the kitchen from now on. We have discussed everything with Grandma. Henceforth, we will manage the kitchen.
No way. We got scolded the other day by ma'am because of Trinayani. We are sorry, but we can't leave the kitchen. We are sorry.
Will you leave or not? Hey, just leave. You have got leave for one day. All of you go and enjoy yourselves. I am the daughter-in-law of this family, right? So all of you must follow my orders. I said that I will cook and that is final. We will cook pasta and pasta. Why are you standing here? Leave. Go on. What is this? I am alone here. Where is my friend?
Is this a stool or what? What is this? Oh no. I wanted to cook some offerings for Lord. But now how will I cook?
Hey, girl. The thing that you're carrying on your lap, do you know that it emits fire?
What? Really?
Yes, it emits fire. And you need to cook on that, Nayan.
On this stool that emits fire? No.
Don't worry. I will teach you. Look carefully. See, you can switch it on by pressing this button. And then you can increase the heat by pressing this switch and this one to reduce it. Do you understand? You must do it, Nayan.
I never saw such a thing in my village. So many things happen in the rich people's world. One can cook on a stool too?
Yes. And you need to learn these things. You need to become Deepu's wife. You will fit well in this family. You'll have to learn a lot of things for that. You can't wash his shoes in soap water or call the induction cooktop a stool. You need to prepare yourself. Do you understand, Nayan? Right?
I am really scared. Will I be able to do that?
You must succeed, Nayan. I won't help you anymore. Mark my words. You can do it.